Okay everybody, so what I'm doing today is I'm going to install this pedal in my C6 Corvette so that it matches more like these pedals. That's just the plastic thing from the factory. It's kind of gotten on my nerves since I bought the car. Finally got around to doing this. I think this thing's about 60 bucks from Elite Engineering. I think I bought it on Amazon or eBay. I don't remember exactly. It was a little bit cheaper there than it was on their website, even though they were selling it. So I went ahead and bought it there. Anyways, there's a plastic panel that goes right up here. You can see that's one of the attachment points for it right there. There are 3 of them. Basically, you just pull that thing down and out of the way. You just kind of tuck it over off to the side. I figure it would probably be easier to just take the pedal assembly out of the car rather than try to work back behind there with my face down on the floor of the Corvette. So basically what you got to do is remove the harness from your pedal. And I'm going to try to do this without knocking the camera out of the way too. There we go. So that's out of the way. The next thing you're going to do is remove these 2 bolts here. There's one here, one just up at the top, diagonally from one another. So let's see what size that is. So that's going to be a 13. Okay, so to go ahead and reassemble this, you take your pin and your pedal and stick it through right here, and then take your spring. It's going to go right next to the arm, your pedal arm there. Get it in there. Okay. And now the next spring, where did I put it? It was just right here. Oh, there it is, down in the crack. Okay. Take the next spring and very carefully stick it down here. All right. So I'm going to use my Allen wrench to kind of help maneuver everything. There we go. And you want this to go down in that groove again. There's a little groove in the post. So you want this little bit here to go down in that groove, just like on the factory pedal, to kind of hold it in position. And then stick that around there, and you're in business. Now this doesn't seem to be moving very freely, so I think I'm going to lubricate it just a little bit, because you want that to be able to obviously spring back, which is currently not happening. So I'm going to put a little bit of lube on here. Maybe a little graphite lube so it's not you know, get anything on my shoes or my carpet. So I'm going to do that, and we'll make sure it works, then put it back in the car. All right, so I thought about the graphite, and I was like, it's going to make a black mess everywhere. I'm just going to kick it old school and put a little WD-40 in there. All right, so that seems to be working. I'm going to wipe up any excess. I'm going to reinstall this thing in the car, and you're ready to roll. So I hope this video helped you out and made things easier for you. Make sure you check out my YouTube channel. I've got 300 videos of how to do all sorts of things on that site. And make sure you subscribe to my channel as well, so you can learn how to do lots of other stuff. I thank you for watching.